Countdown. Top 10 Countdown.
It is useless to resist us.
Counting down the 10 biggest hits of the week. Only here on Metro's number 1, 90.7 Love Radio. Give it a quick check, Metro Manila. It is now 45 minutes after 11 o'clock and welcome to Love Radio's Top 10 Countdown. Siyempre, kasama niyo pa rin po yours truly, Diego Bandido. And right about now, welcome po dito sa ating Love Radio Presents Mano a Mano interview. At siyempre, makakasama po natin, let's all welcome Benj Pangilinan.
Hello. Thank you for having me.
Yes, good morning, Benj. Well,
morning.
unang-una, Benj, shortcut for
Benjamin.
right?
Yes, Benjamin.
So, tawag din sa akin ng iba is Jegs.
Okay.
Shortcut for Jego. No, Benjamin. Now, Benjamin, unang-unang tanong. Pwede mong sagutin o hindi How young are you?
I'm 22 years old.
22 years
23! I just turned 23 yesterday.
Yeah! Kaya tinanong ko happy birthday. Belated happy birthday sa iyo. Alright, now, Benj, gusto ko lang malaman paano ka nagsimula as an artist? How young are you when it comes to nagsimula kang kumanta?
I grew up in that environment, so I learned, ever since I was a kid, I would watch my family. 'Cause
Okay.
My family's also part of the entertainment industry.
Alright.
So I just got inspired by the impact of how music had on other people.
Mm-hmm. So both your mom and dad kumakanta?
Yung tito ko, si Tito Gary.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah, so I watched him growing up, and I started playing freshman year, so 2016. So how many years is that?
Well, I can see the significant now.
7-8 years. Yeah.
All right. So what kind of music did you grow up with?
I grew up all sorts. Michael Bublé, Frank Sinatra, especially Gary Valenciano, Sharon Cuneta, all of that. So
Pero sino talaga yung nag-push sa'yo? Parang you wanna do it on your own or somebody from the family?
well, for me personally, music started as a form of expression.
Okay.
And so I would write music on my own, but eventually I was like, okay, maybe I should try doing this, and this should maybe may dahilan dito. So,
So you write your own songs?
of course, yes.
Wow. Alam niyo, yung pinakamahirap sa ano na a lot of people, can sing, but mahirap dumating sa kanila yung it takes maturity, 'di ba, para makapagsulat ka. So it come out naturally because nga nakapaligid sa iyo are all in the industry. Especially of course Tito Gary. Now, gaano kalaki yung influence ng Tito Gary mo for?
I think the number one thing kay Tito Gary is nakita ko yung dahilan niya, hindi para sa kanya.
Okay.
And so yung lakas niya, it's you could see that it's coming from something else and something bigger. And that was the inspiration for me, seeing what that had, the impact that had on so many people.
Wow.
So yun.
Yeah, which I admire as well. Of course, it seems like your God-given gift, sinishare mo, and of course to glorify Him.
That's the goal. That's the goal.
Alright, let's go. Amen to that. Okay, now let's talk about your song.
Opo.
Nandito na ako.
Yes.
Right? Okay, can you tell us about the song?
Yun, nandito na ako. We wanted to write a song that brought back the nostalgic melody, like Kahit Maputi and all those, the OPM classics, but bring a different taste to it and like the times now. And just to write that classic love song.
Okay.
And yun, it was a funny story. I came up with it. Just I had this melody in mind. I went to all my different family members for different ideas, and here we are today.
Okay. So nandito na ako.
Nandito na ako.
Para ba yun for special someone or just
Yeah,
saying
yeah,
that
it's like
I'm just here, parang ganun.
Oh, so the story is just, it's about someone who parang kaibigan mo pero you're scared of like parang nagustuhan mo na siya pero hindi mo alam kung nagustuhan niya mo din siya. So, it's a tribute to that classic story.
So, right. So, sa lahat po ng mga kabisyo natin na nakikinig ngayon na nandito na ako, you might probably love the song. Mamaya hihinga natin ng sample.
Okay.
Si
Alright.
Benj.
Perfect.
Okay. But of course, later on, we're gonna play the full song.
Yes, okay.
Nandito na ako. So, well, when it comes to Nandito na ako, sino yung naging inspiration mo to write this one? Parang it just came up yung melody and then
For me kasi
ano yung trigger? Usually may mga trigger eh.
it was it's this feeling that, you know, for me kasi when I write music, I only write when I'm feeling something strong.
Okay.
And so for some reason the chords, because I was watching a guitar tutorial on Instagram.
Okay.
And I was copying it, and as I was starting to strum the chords, it made me feel something.
Okay.
And so from there a melody was created. That was the start of Nandito
Wow.
Na.
Awesome. Ang galing. Now, ako hindi na ako makapaghintay. I want to hear you, of course, sing the song. Sample. Ayan.
Okay.
Manong driver na nakikinig ngayon sa taxi niya, sa mga Grab drivers natin.
Yes.
And of course, those who are watching us sa ating Facebook Live over Love Radio Manila. So here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Let's all welcome Benj Pangilinan. All right.
Tumingin ka lang dito, di ka itatago, ipagsisigawan ng awit na to. Kahit sa malayo, kita ka sa dulo, kaya pahinga na ang puso mo. Nandito na ako.
Wow. Pretty cool and pretty awesome. Nakikita ko yung mga flexes ni ni Tito Gary. Kaming mga uncle, we grow up, of course, Gary Valenciano, sabi pa nga ng iba, the Michael Jackson of the Philippines. So, good to know na may bagong tubo, of course.
Grabe naman. Hindi naman.
Alright, so, may mga gusto kong pasalamatan.
Yes.
People, help you out.
Yeah, so I want to special shout out to Sony Music. It's my label right now. We have this new song, Nandito Na Ako, out now on all streaming platforms. You know, you can watch the music video. And what video? I have to say another video. What other thing? Oh yeah, so thank you so much, Esnir, for putting the song on your new video, your new short film. Salamat po talaga. I really do appreciate it. Just please all check out Esnir's new video, Section Wars. And yeah, you'll see that there in one of the scenes. And yun lang.
Alright. Okay, about your social media.
Social media, you can follow me, Benj Pangilinan, on Instagram, Benjamin Pangilinan on YouTube. That's where you can find the music video. And yun lang. Salamat po talaga.
Alright, so we'll get a new guy, something that we can look up. Of course, hopefully, makakasama sa top 10 countdown soon.
Sana,
of course,
sana.
yung song mo. So wala ka na nakalimutan na anything else? Baka may magtampo or what?
Thank you guys for listening. Sana okay yung day nyo today. Yun lang.
Alright.
Wala na.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, ito na. Papakinggan na po natin buong buo.
Alright.
Hindi na kayo mabibitin. Here's a song, of course, from Benj Pangilinan with Nandito Na Ako. Actually, nandito na siya. Enjoy the song right here on Love Radio's Top 10 Countdown.
Kailangan pa bang i-memorize yan? Love Radio Basic!